Exercise bikes offer a great workout. Their genius design provides not only a low-impact workout but one that also incorporates cardio and strength. If you are a shorter rider, it can be challenging to find one that fits your height. A proper fit is vital for your success. I researched comprehensively, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best exercise bike for short people from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products beneficial for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video to watch the best exercise bike for short person. Number 1. Exerpeutic Folding Exercise Bike. It features an X-frame design that provides great rigidity and stability to support anyone up to 300 pounds. And it even features a compact and folding design, which makes it perfect for use in tight spaces. Furthermore, the 8-level tension and the adjustable height make it ideal for persons of short stature. This Exerpeutic upright bike also features an LCD and hand pull sensors that keep you updated with your workout data. Moreover, the 3-piece crank system makes pedaling effortless and keeps it quiet, so it is perfect if you live in an apartment and need a quiet, compact exercise bike. The inclusion of safety straps on the pedals and the balanced flywheel ensures safety by securing your feet to the pedals. This will allow you to ride without worrying that your short legs will slip off. You will also appreciate the 1-year warranty on this exercise bike. Number 2. Marcy Recumbent Exercise Bike. Want to take away the edge of that usual early fatigue so you can jack up your workout sessions? Sure you can. You can defy the no pain, no gain law by petering down the pain and at the same time leveraging the gain. But in this case, not with drugs but by the Marcy Recumbent Exercise Bike with Resistance Me 709. The more reason you pick Me 709 is the total control users claim to have over their bodybuilding process. Since it's an 8 levels adjustable resistance system, you may decide to start with level 1 with a single turning of the control knob. And then increase the resistance level when you're ready for harder pedaling. Meanwhile, from level to level, there's an ultra-functional LCD right opposite you displaying time spent, calories burnt, speed, and distance covered per session. Just the useful info needed to keep track of progress. Number 3. Bulbhead Most Comfortable Exercise Machine. Sometimes you have limited space, which is where a folding bike comes in. The Bulbhead Slim Cycle Bike is one of the more affordable options on this list, so it's great if you're on a budget for both money and space. One of the more unique features of this bike is that you can adjust the seat to sit upright for a more intense workout or lean back to turn it into a recumbent bike. It comes with 8 levels of resistance, which is fewer than many bikes on this list. However, it also has built-in resistance bands, so you can do bicep curls as you pedal. So if your goal is to get more movement into your day, and not necessarily conquer the Tour de France, this affordable and multifaceted bike might do the trick for you. Number 4. Exerpeutic Gold Heavy Duty Foldable Exercise Bike. This exercise bike tops out the weight limits on this list with 400 pounds, so if you're a bit on the heavier side, this seemingly simple bike is still a great fit for you. Though in terms of the best bike for a short person, the company says the shortest it comfortably accommodates is 5 feet 1 inch, so if you're even shorter than that, it might not be ideal. Regardless, this bike comes with an easy-to-read LCD display that shows calories burned, distance, time, speed, scan, pulse, and odometer, so you can easily track your workouts. It also boasts high durability and heavy-duty steel frame construction, so don't let the fact that it's foldable fool you. The Exerpeutic comes with 8 levels of resistance, so it's once again not the most versatile. Still, it'll do the trick if you're a beginner or looking for a basic bike. Number 5. Vanswe Recumbent Exercise Bike. Comfortable adjustable seat accommodates riders with an inseam between 27 and 35 inches. Although significantly lighter than the previously discussed model, this model offers an extended maximum user weight range of 380 pounds. The fully adjustable seat ensures riders beginning with an inseam of 27 inches can find a comfortable riding position. We liked that this model included Bluetooth Smart technology and provided a free fitness data application to help riders continue making progress. The Vanswe Recumbent bike also earned one of the highest consumer ratings on our list, with 4.6 out of 5. Purchasers commended this bike with statements such as "great bike" and "very comfortable and easy to use." We found it remarkable that this bike only cost $239.99 when considering all it offers consumers. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. If you need any more valuable information or if you want to know product's original price, do check out my description. For any kind of problems, please write a comment below. I can help you anytime further. Stay updated with our products as it will make your file much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.